Good evening, friends. We are back again with one more session on Learn Polity through MCQ. This is the 15th part on which we are going to talk about municipalities. So, without any further delay, guys, let us start today's topic. So, our first question is municipalities in India were accorded constitutional status by. So, guys, it is asking by which constitutional amendment the municipalities got the constitutional status. So, we all know, guys, the amendments 73rd and 74th are related to local self-governance. Okay, 73rd is associated with rural self-governance as well as 74th is with urban self-governance. So we all know municipalities are a tool of urban self-governance. So the correct option will be option C, 74th Constitutional Amendment Act. Okay, so the correct option will be option C. So moving towards the next question, guys, we have which of the following is not a category of urban local body under the constitution? So guys, in urban local bodies, we have Nagar Panchayat, we have municipal council, we have municipal corporation. However, we do not have any such organs known as cantonment board. Okay, so which one of the following is not? So option D will be the correct option. That is not a category. Okay, so moving towards the next question, guys, we have a Nagar Panchayat is constituted for. So guys, Nagar Panchayat is for transitional areas, the areas which are actually in transition from rural to urban areas, and in such areas Nagar Panchayats are constituted. So the correct option will be A. Moving towards the next question, guys, the constitution defines municipality under. So guys, which particular article talks about the definition of municipality? So it will be article 243p that talks about the definition of municipality. We all know that from 243 to 243o, it is what? It is about Panchayati Raj institution. So 243p, from 243p to 243zg, we have what? We have our municipalities. So the correct option here will be option B. Okay. Moving towards the next question. Guys, we have the tenure of municipality is. So guys, we all know the tenure for municipalities is. So 5 years is the tenure for municipalities. So the correct option will be option B. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have here the elections of municipalities are conducted by. So guys, we all know that the elections for the local bodies are actually conducted by the State Election Commission. Okay, not by the Election Commission of India. So the correct option will be option B. So moving towards the next question, guys, we have here under the 74th Amendment, which provision mandatory for all states? Direct elections of mayor, constitution of ward committees, uniform municipal laws, or financial autonomy to municipalities. Okay, so guys, constitution of ward committees is mandatory for all the states. So the correct option will be option D. Okay, moving towards the next question, guys, we have here ward committees are compulsory in municipalities with population. So guys, we all know that ward committees are compulsory in municipalities population more than 3 lakh. So if in a particular municipality we have population more than 3 lakh, so it is mandatory for us to form the ward committees. So the correct option will be option C. Okay. Then comes the next question. Reservation of seats in municipalities are provided for. So guys, see, whether it is panchayat or municipalities, we will have reservation for SCs, STs and women. So the correct option here will be option D. Okay, that reservation of SC, STs and women. Okay, option D. Moving towards the next question, guys. Which statement regarding the reservation of women in municipalities is correct? So minimum 33% of the total seats, 1/3 of the seats including chairpersons, 50% of the seat mandatorily or only at discretion of the state. So guys, 1/3 of the seats including the chairperson. So the correct option will be option B. So 1/3 of the seats shall be reserved for the women including the chairpersons. Okay. So the correct option will be option B. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have here the 12th schedule of the Constitution relates to, guys, we have already talked about that the 11th schedule talks about the power of the panchayats and 12th schedule talks about the power of the municipalities. So the correct option will be option B. Okay, correct option will be option B, that talks about the power of the municipalities. Okay, question number 11, option B is the correct option. So moving towards the next question, guys. The 12th schedule contains how many subjects? So guys, the 12th schedule contains 18 subjects. So 18 subjects are there under the municipalities, and under the Panchayati Raj institutions we have 29 subjects. Okay, remember that these are the subjects under the 11th and the 12th schedule. So in case of 12th schedule, it shall be 18 subjects. Okay, so the correct option will be option C. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have here, which of the following is not listed under the 12th schedule? So guys, which of the following is not mentioned under the 12th schedule? So guys, we have already discussed that we have 18 functional subjects under the 12th schedule, out of which urban planning is mentioned, fire and emergency services are mentioned, public health and sanitation is mentioned. However, police administration is not mentioned. Okay, police administration is not mentioned. So the correct option will be option C. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have here the State Finance Commission for municipalities are constituted every, so it is same. Okay, Finance Commission of India or the State Finance Commission, it is constituted after every 5 years. For the Finance Commission of India, we have the Article 280. Okay, Article 280 talks about the Finance Commission of India. Okay, in case of the municipalities, it is 243Y. Okay, 243Y, that talks about the Finance Commission for the municipalities. So guys, we are going to talk about that as well. So the correct option here will be option C. Which article provides for the State Finance Commission for municipalities? So guys, we have just talked about that. It is Article 243Y, that talks about the State Finance Commission for municipalities, not the Finance Commission of India. Okay, so the correct option will be option B. So moving towards the next question, guys, we have here the Metropolitan Planning Committees are provided under Article 243ZE. So Article 243ZE talks about the Metropolitan Planning Committees. So the correct option will be option D. Okay, moving towards the next question, guys, we have the chairperson of the municipality is directly elected by the people in all states, appointed by the government, chosen as per state law, or nominated by the election commission. So guys, it is chosen as per the state law, or sometimes indirect elections through the elected members of the ward committee. Okay, elected chairpersons of the ward committees. Okay, so this will be option C. Okay, moving towards the next question, guys, we have here the constitutional status for municipalities best explained as independent units of government. No, guys. Bodies with absolute financial autonomy. No. Under union control. No. However, these are the agencies of the state. So the correct option will be option B, agencies of the state. Okay, moving towards the next question for the day, guys, we have here which statement is correct regarding municipalities? All municipal laws are uniform across India. Municipalities derive powers directly from the parliament. No, states may devolve powers to the municipalities. Municipalities can levy taxes without state approval. No, guys. So the correct and most appropriate option over here is option C. State may devolve powers to the municipalities. Okay, so the devolution of powers depends upon the state. Okay, so the correct option will be option C. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have here the primary objective of the 74th constitutional amendment is strengthen federalism, decentralize urban governance, reduce state interference, and introduce metropolitan governments. So no, guys, it was a tool for decentralized urban local governance, that is municipality. Okay, so the correct option will be option B. Okay, option B. So guys, this was a quick idea about the municipalities. In the upcoming series, we will be coming up with more such videos. Till then, stay connected with Edufy.